What I'm going to talk about today is taking your child to the flea market, and I listed 7 reasons why I think you should.
Lovely starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child, I live in Wonderland.
Okay,
All
hi
my
guys,
dreams
this is
are
Angie with
coming
Flippin'
true.
Fanchers. First reason that I said was for discounts because kids get an allowance and they like to spend that allowance. I know our 12-year-old does. And going to flea markets or thrift shops is also included in that too, helps them learn that they can buy more when they buy used or gently used, things like that. So that's one of the good reasons why they really should go there. Another reason is history lessons. You'll find all kinds of old vintage items. It's fun to guess where they think that the item has been, who was the previous owner. We had bought a trunk, an old trunk, and it had an address in there, a name and an address, and I think the person's age, something like that. But it was really neat to think about where that trunk has been and who the owner was, things like that. So the history is really important. And it's really fun too to the kids to see that. Another reason would be, we'll just go with the last one, would be just to have fun together. And it's fun to go through all the aisles to see all the new things. Every week there's something new at the flea markets if you can go to one, regularly. We like to kind of jump around, but if you go to one regularly, you can see new items every week. So that's always fun. I was going to kind of show you a few of the pictures that we took of whenever we took our grandson, and he's only 2, and he absolutely loved it. So that tells me that it's fun for all ages. I'll just put this here. But when we first went to there, you could see all those doors. I mean, he had a ball just looking at everything there. And then he, like I said, he liked to look up at the top and see what all. I showed some of these pictures on Facebook and Instagram, but there he was just having a blast pulling. He found some items, he put them in there, and he started pulling the cart. He's looking at everything. The thing about him is he found all these, and I kind of scroll through these pictures, and you'd be surprised because they have all these toy sections, and he liked the old things like this. He liked to look at all these, and then there's a couple more down here later that see, he found the dump truck. But he liked to look at the books. There's his toy section. He didn't spend very much time there. He just kind of looked, and then he went to the books. He wanted that coaster. He wanted the whole set of coasters. So I thought that was pretty neat. And he ended up with this item right here, which is just a handmade. I thought it was pretty cute. A handmade little car, and it was half off. So he's not at the point to where he understands, the price, things like that yet, but he does know, let me get this up here again. He does know that, he knows good items, I guess. I don't know. But I thought that was pretty cute, and it was perfect. And I can't wait to take him again. But I have a little project that I want to do regarding that, like I said, the kids in the flea market. So I'm excited about that. So you might be hearing more about that later in some more lives and some more of my posts on Facebook and Instagram and things like that. So I can't wait to do that. So it was pretty fun, and I'm gonna have to take him again and show you some more pictures. But just let me know in the comments. Do you take your kids to the flea markets? Do they like them? Not? What do you do whenever they're, if they don't like them? I know our 12-year-old son does not like flea markets at all, and he doesn't like to go, but he does have this collection of old knives, daggers, things like that that we keep in the safe that we're going to make a shadow box for, and I put that in my blog post too. Um, he goes straight for that. So I think the kids would have something that would interest them there. And it's so that's why it's good to take them and to see where their interest lies. So, but let me know in the comments if you take yours and if they like it or not. And like I said, I'm gonna have a little project going on in the works with that. So I might use some of your comments. I'm not for sure exactly what I'm gonna do with it. So, but I'll let you know. So until next week, thanks.
Coming true.